2017 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 turbo. So I got factory converter there, manifold one, and then a secondary there. Then it's 2 1/4 pipe all the way. We took the resonator out and put a DYNOMAX race bullet right there. He wants the sound to open it up, let it breathe more. And you can find the link in the description for it. And then we did a muffler delete also right there. And you don't want, you know, it's hidden. You kept it hidden so nobody sees it. Right there. It's a Subaru Crosstrek. And it's a special partial zero emissions vehicle. It's all-wheel drive. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Loud. Sound decibels? Wow, you'd never expect that from a Subaru. Wow, yeah? Go ahead and back it up. Sound decibels are about 110. Again. All right, we'll let you guys hear on the inside. Standard too. I like it. It's different. Subaru Crosstrek.